Have you ever walked into a post office in an English speaking country and the moment you opened your mouth, the clerk gave you this look like you said something weird?
Oh, yes. I remember one time in New York, I said, I want to send a package. And the woman behind the counter just stared at me. I felt so awkward.
That's exactly what we're fixing today. Because it's direct, it's short, and in English it can sound a little demanding.
Really, I thought I want was fine.
It's grammatically correct, but native speakers prefer softer phrases. Think of it this way: I want a coffee sounds like you're giving an order. Can I get a coffee sounds like a polite request.
Oh, I see the difference.
Today we're at the post office, one of those places where you really need to sound polite and clear. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say to send a package, ask about delivery time, and know when to insure something.
Perfect. I'm taking notes.
Let's start with the most important phrase of the day. Imagine you're standing at the counter. You have a package in your hand. What do you say?
I want to send this package.
Close, but let's upgrade that. Say, I'd like to send this, please.
I'd like to send this, please.
That I'd like is short for I would like. It's polite, it's clear, and it's what native speakers use 90% of the time.
So I'd like is basically the polite version of I want.
Exactly. And you can use it everywhere. At a restaurant, I'd like a burger. At a store, I'd like to return this. At the post office, I'd like to send this to Japan, please.
Got it. I'd like to send this. That's my new go-to.
Great. Now let's say the clerk asks you, how would you like to send it? Meaning, what shipping method do you want?
Oh, I didn't know they'd ask that.
This is where things get real. They might say, do you want to send it by air or by ground?
Air or ground?
Air is faster, but more expensive. Ground is slower and cheaper. If you wanted to arrive in a few days, you say, by air, please.
By air, please.
If you're not in a rush, by ground is fine.
Simple. By air or by ground?
Now here's the next question every clerk will ask. What's inside the package?
Customs declaration.
Exactly. They need to know for customs forms. So you just say something like, it's a gift, or it's clothes, or it's books. It's a gift. That's the most common answer. By the way, Chinese speakers, be careful here. In Chinese, you might say, this is a present, which is correct, but it's a gift is more natural.
Noted.
Now our first key question of the day. You want to know when your package will arrive. Don't say, when will it come? That sounds a little strange.
What should I say?
How long will it take? To take time, we use this all the time. How long does the bus take? How long does it take to get downtown? It's your go-to question for any kind of duration.
Okay, let me try. How long does it take to send a package to Brazil?
Perfect. And the clerk might say, about 10 business days.
Business days, not regular days.
Right. Monday through Friday, not counting weekends or holidays. So if someone tells you 5 business days, that's about a week.
Got it. How long does it take? New favorite question.
Now let's talk about something that surprises a lot of people: insurance.
I never know when I need insurance.
Here's the simple rule. The clerk might ask, do you need to insure this?
And I usually say, I don't know.
That's honest. But let's give you a decision-making framework. If you're sending something valuable, electronics, jewelry, important documents, say yes, I'd like to insure it, please.
Any idea how much insurance costs?
Perfect. Or you can ask, what's the insurance rate?
What's the insurance rate?
The clerk will tell you. Usually it's a small percentage of the value. And here's a cultural tip. In the US, most people don't insure packages under $100 in value, unless it's something sentimental, like a family photo album.
Oh, that's good to know.
Now let's look at something realistic. Leo, imagine you're at the post office. You're sending a birthday present to your cousin in Mexico. Let's hear your whole conversation.
Okay. Hi, I'd like to send this to Mexico, please.
The clerk says, sure, how would you like to send it?
How long does it take by air?
The clerk says, about 5 business days.
Okay, by air, please. And do I need to insure it?
It's up to you. What's inside?
It's a watch.
The clerk says, I'd recommend insurance.
Okay, I'd like to insure it, please.
Excellent. See how natural that sounds? You used I'd like 3 times. You asked how long does it take instead of when will it come, and you handled the insurance question perfectly.
That felt good.
Now here's something I want to add. A very common question at the post office is, do you need a tracking number?
Oh, tracking. That's another thing I don't understand sometimes.
Tracking simply means you can see where your package is online. Yes, I'd like tracking, please, or no tracking is fine.
And if I say no tracking, does that mean I lose the package forever?
Basically, yes, if the package gets lost, you have no way to find it. So for anything important, always get tracking. Absolutely. I'd like tracking, please. That's one more phrase to add to your list.
This is so practical. But Maya, what are the biggest mistakes learners make?
Great question. Let's talk about 3 common errors. First mistake, using send when you should use mail.
Wait, they're different?
In everyday conversation, mail is more common for letters and small packages. Send works for everything. But if you're mailing a letter, say, I'd like to mail this letter.
Make sure to put a stamp on envelopes.
Beautiful. Another common mistake. Arabic speakers sometimes say, I want to dispatch this package. That word dispatch is very formal, very business. Use send instead.
Please dispatch immediately versus can I send this?
Exactly. Send is natural. Dispatch is what you see on a shipping label.
Noted.
Third mistake. Spanish speakers sometimes say, how much time takes the package?
Oh, because in Spanish, it's cuánto tiempo toma.
Right, but in English we say, how long does it take? Perfect. Let's do one more full practice round, but this time, a bit different. I'll be the clerk, and I'll throw some tricky questions at you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to send this package to Australia, please.
Sure, what's inside?
It's a small electronic device, a fitness tracker.
I see. Do you know the value?
About $150.
I'd recommend insurance and tracking. It'll be about $15 extra.
Okay, and how long does it take by air?
About 7 business days.
That works. I'd like insurance and tracking, please.
Great job, Leo. That was a perfect interaction. You handled everything smoothly, the insurance, the tracking, the time question.
Thanks. And I noticed I used I'd like without even thinking.
That's the goal. Make it automatic. And you know what? Most of your post office conversations will follow this same pattern. You just need those 3 tools. I'd like to send this for starting the conversation. How long does it take for asking about time? And do I need to insure this for handling value?
3 key phrases. I can remember that.
Let's wrap up with one final tip. When you finish your transaction, the clerk might say, your total is $32.50.
What do I say?
Just say, here you go, and hand over your card or cash.
Here you go.
Or if you're paying with a card, can I tap?
Can I tap?
Meaning, can I use contactless payment? Most places in the US now accept tap to pay.
Good to know.
Today's takeaway, and I want you to remember this, I'd like replaces I want in any service situation. Restaurants, stores, post office, everywhere. It's one word difference that makes you sound instantly more polite and natural.
Practice today. Go to a post office or just practice these phrases at home. Say them out loud. The more you say them, the more natural they feel.
And if you don't have a post office nearby, just imagine yourself there. Picture the counter, picture the clerk, say your phrases.
Visualization works.
It really does. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. We drop new episodes every day to help you speak like a native. And if you have a question about real-life English, leave it in the comments. Leo and I read every single one.
We really do. See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. Keep practicing.